one right there looks the smallest. Yeah, I think that one right there, the one is the smallest. Yeah, it's the smallest one, I think. Yeah, it's small. Yeah, you can see in the water, that's how tall it actually is. It's the smallest one, I think. And it's almost completely full. Oh, never mind, go. What's this one got there? I don't think it can fly.
There are two impala over there who live with the Thompson gazelle. Because as a social species, for both of them, the two impala were raised with two of the Thompson gazelles when they were all babies at our baby care center. So when they were reintroduced into the big field out here, they stayed together with who they knew. They just so happened to reintegrate into the Thompson gazelle herd. They could have easily gone the other way into the impala herd. But these animals are social and they want to stay with their friends because that is how you feel safe.